Hello everyone, how are you all? Today's topic is learn in detail about Rajasthani dance and Punjabi folk dance Bhangra. In this video, we will discuss about Rajasthani folk dances. There are 8 traditional folk dances of Rajasthan. In this video, we will discuss about Rajasthani folk dances, and next session I will tell you about Bhangra, Punjabi folk dance Bhangra. So, there are 8 traditional folk dances of Rajasthan: Ghumar, Kalbelia, Bhavai, Kathputli, Kachi Ghodi, Ghair, Chari, and Chang. So let's get started. First one is Ghumar. The recently became an internationally recognized folk dance form from Rajasthan. The dance involves graceful moves like clapping and swaying the hands and twirling around. It originated from Bhil community and mainly performed as entertainment for kings in ancient times. Now it is performed for festivals and social events. Women wear colorful ghagra choli and odhni and make coordinated dance steps to popular traditional music instruments. Ghumar is the world's best local folk dance from that leaves viewers entertainment. Here's the example. Second one is Kalbelia, popularly called the snake charmer dance. This dance performance is accredited by UNESCO as an intangible heritage. Women are dressed in ethnic attire and dance to folk music that men play. Popular instruments include dholak, khanjari, and punji, a percussion and woodwind musical instruments. The Sapera dance consists of snake, line dance, movements that namesake tribal women perform. The steps look best in the angrakhi and odhni on a long skirt that turns around gracefully. Here's the example. Third one is Bhavai. Sometime you might have seen women balancing a number of pots on their head and dancing around. This is exactly that dance ritual by specific Rajasthani communities like Jats, Meena, Bhil, Kumhar and Kalbelia. It is a fascinating stunt that these traditional artists perform. Some balance up to 8 earthen or brass pots on top of their head. While balancing the pots, they turn around within the circumference of a plate or a glass. Male performers play music instruments including sarangi, dholak and harmonium and sing along. Here's the example. Fourth one is Kathputli dance. The dance is done by puppets held by the strings that the artists control. This culture program is similar to a puppet show and consists of card means wood and putli means doll. Many hundreds of centuries back, the Bhat tribes created this dance form. The artists also create voices like puppets for the dolls to converse. They narrate mythological stories of tribes and some are also about the country's social issues. Here is the example. Fifth one is Kachi Ghodi. This is a famous folklore genre showcasing tales of local bandits in the region from the dance form. It was first started in the region called Shekhawati and performed by men artists in traditional costumes like kurta, dhoti and turban. They ride on a puppet horse during the dance performance. There is background music including flute and percussion rhythm. This dance is also performed at various social gatherings and weddings. This energetic dance includes mock sword fights that signifies bravery and chivalry. Here's the example. Sixth one is Gair. This dance form originated from the Bhil community, performed on major festivals like Janmashtami and Holi. Traditional artists including men and women are decked up in attractive, vibrant and colorful costumes. Women wear ghagra choli while men wear lengthy traditional attire with a stick, arrow and sword. Folk music is played on various traditional instruments while dancers perform attractive steps in clockwise and anti-clockwise circles. It is a dramatic performance, especially when men performers hit sticks to the strong rhythm. Here's the example. Seventh one is Chhari. This dance form is symbolic of joy started by Saini community in Ajmer and the Gujjar community of Kishangarh. The ritualistic folk performance is performed by females for special happy occasions like weddings, festivals or when a male child is born. Traditional artists perform a stunt balancing on top of their head brass pots, that means chhari, with a burning lamp inside. Music instruments including nagada, dholak and harmonium play alongside. Here's the example. Last one is Chang. This dance form is also referred to as Dhamal, where dancers perform fast-paced steps to the rhythm of Chang. This is a unique instrument like a tambourine. This is an enthusiastic folk dance performance started in the Bikaner, Churu, Jhunjhunu and Sikar, known as the Shekhawati region. In this dance form, the main segment in celebrations of Holi festival in Rajasthan, men dressed in traditional women costumes sing, dance and do the Ghumar carouse that captures the viewers. So, these are 8 traditional folk dances of Rajasthan. Next video, I will tell you about Bhangra, Punjabi folk dance Bhangra. Your video is already very lengthy, beta. So that's why we will discuss in next session about Bhangra. I hope you like the video and you understand the folk dances of Rajasthan. See you next week.